Hey everyone, today I want to walk you through a recent landing page design for an AI powered meeting summarizer. My main goal for this project was simple: take a complex, highly technical product and make it feel completely effortless for the everyday user. So let's start right at the top in the hero section. Uh, Over here, I hit with the crystal clear value proportions. Uh, I used a clean, spacious layout and added a vibrant gradient pop towards, AI powered summaries over here uh, to immediately draw the eye. Or over here, there is a 2 CTA secondary watch demo, and over right below, we placed a sleek dark mode preview of the dashboard. Uh, this one paired with some impressive user stats right at the top, and we establish instant trust before the user even scrolls. So moving down the page, we break down the core features instead of overwhelming people with technical jargon. I went with simple breathable icons and bite-sized text, and notice this vibrant purple banner for integration. That intentional color shift breaks the visual rhythm of the white background to highlight a major selling point. This tool connects perfectly with the apps you already use. So next, we anchor the product in reality with social proofs. I designed these clean, card-based testimonials featuring real faces and roles. When you are selling AI, bringing a human element back into the design is crucial for making the brand feel approachable and safe. So, next is our main section. Most importantly, for the pricing section, transparency was key. I laid out three very distinct tiers, but notice over here how I evaluated the professional plan using the brand gradient and raised card effect. This gently guides the user's decision making process towards the best value option without feeling overly aggressive. And the other two plans, starter and enterprise, with their perks. So finally, we close out with a bold, colorful call to action to capture anyone who scrolled all the way down. The entire page flow is designed to educate, build credibility, and seamlessly drive conversions. And the last one is a footer with core products highlighting and their major page functionalities. Yeah, that's all from my end now. I would love to hear your thoughts on this layout. Drop your feedback in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time ahead.